Okay. Si parang Nico Huelgas, isa sa mga members ng POC Athletes Commission. Nico, you've been part of the selection committee sa ating Women in Sports Awards Night. Alam ko magde-deliberate pa kayo ng mga awardees, pero ano ba ang inyong maaasahan natin sa pagpili ng mga bubuuin ng mga awardees para dito sa upcoming awards night?
Yes, we will be expecting a very exciting lineup of awardees. And there was a huge nomination, diba, of about 200 to 300. Pero what we can assure is it was a fair deliberation in collaboration with the NSA. And we hope you guys can rally for our Filipina awardees. From awardees for being an athlete, coach, executive, and anything related to sports na Filipino.
Okay, doon naman tayo sa inyong role bilang POC Athletes Commission. Dati, well, alam natin meron tayong bagong board na, of course, pinangunahan ni na E.J. Obiena, Dinesty Patricio, and the rest. So, natuwa ka ba, nabilib ka ba dito sa bagong composition ng ating board?
Yes, I'm very happy with the new elected members. I'm very confident that they will continue the programs that the past had been started, and we can assure that it's gonna be bigger, better, and a more supportive program para sa ating mga atleta.
Lastly, alam natin matagal ka nang wala sa limelight sa triathlon. Dati ikaw yung SEA Games Triathlon King. Ngayon ang pumalit sina Per Casares at si Kim Remolino. Kamusta ka na ngayon? Of course, ano ba mga pinagkakabala ni Nico Huelgas right after the triathlon career? And of course, ang balita namin, balik ka na sa schooling.
Yes. I'm very happy with the new team that's been leading the triathlon community and the developments. And I'm very happy naman with my status. And I'm now back to school, yes. I'm gonna pursue real estate management as my second course because I think I want to pursue this industry. Then hopefully I'll still maintain being an athlete, traveling around. I'm going to Vietnam for 1 month next month. So hopefully pumayat.
Alright, ang inyong mensahe na lang ay pasasalamat sa lahat ng mga fans ninyo mula noon hanggang ngayon na sumusuporta sa inyo.
Maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagsuporta sa akin sa career ko. And I hope you continue to support Philippine sports, especially triathlon, swim, bike, run. And I hope you continue to love sports in general. So see you guys on the next competition.
Alright, Nico, maraming salamat and it's a pleasure to have you sa PSA Forum. Dati, ilang beses sayang hindi nagkapag-Zoom interview sa atin during the pandemic. But nice to see you around and we look forward for more updates and developments sa inyong career and of course sa mga magiging proyekto mo sa inaarap. So thank you so much and God bless you.
Thank you.